In this tutorial, we are going to see how to solve the quadratic equation by factoring method. Suppose you have x square minus 64 equal to 0, then we can write this as x minus 8 or x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, if either of the term will be 0, then whole equation will be the 0. So we can write either x minus 8 equal to 0 or x plus 8 equal to 0. Now, if we find the value of x, in this case x will be 8 and in this case x will be minus 8. So, for this equation, the value of x will be either 8 or value of x will be either minus 8. Now let's take the second example. Suppose you have a equation 5x square minus 80 equal to 0. Now you can take out the common factor 5. So it will be x square minus 16 equal to 0. Now either this term or this term will be 0, but we know that 5 cannot be 0. So x square minus 16 we can write as a 0. Now here x square minus 16 will be x minus 4 x plus 4 equal to 0. So again x minus 4 equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. So in this case x value will be 4 and in this case x will be minus 4. So the value of x will be either 4 or minus 4. Now let's take the another example. 25x square minus 36 equal to 0. Now here we can write that 5x minus 6, 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So again 5x minus 6 equal to 0 or 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So in this case 5x equal to 6 and value of x will be 6 divided by 5, while in this case 5x equal to minus 6 and the value of x will be minus 6 divided by 5. So in this case x equal to 6 divided by 5 or x equal to minus 6 divided by 5. Let's take the another example. X square minus x minus 30 equal to 0. Now here you have to factor 30 in such a way that their sum will be minus 1. So let's see, 30 we can write as 3 multiplied by 10 or 5 multiplied by 6, right? So if you want minus 1, then 5 multiplied by minus 6. So 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30 and their sum will be minus 1. So we can write this as x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 30 equal to 0. So if you sum this one, it will automatically come minus x. That is our equation, x square minus x minus 30 equal to 0. Now let's take out common x, so x minus 6 in this case plus 5, so it will be the x minus 6 equal to 0. Now here two commons, two terms are common, so we can write that x minus 6 and x plus 5 equal to 0. Now here either x minus 6 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. So here x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 5. So for this equation either x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 5. Let's take another example. Suppose you have x square plus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. Now again you have to factor 32 in such a way that their sum will be plus 4. So we can write that 4 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 8 equal to 32. So if we do 4 minus 4 multiplied by plus 8, then it will be the minus 32. So we can write x square plus 8x minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. So here we can take out the x common, x plus 8 minus 4, then this will be the x plus 8 equal to 0. So we can write x plus 8, x minus 4 equal to 0. So either x plus 8 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So in this case x will be minus 8 and in this case x will be plus 4. So for this quadratic equation the value of x will be minus 8 or x equal to 4. Now let's take the another example. 3 x square minus x minus 10 equal to 0. Now we can see here that 10 multiplied by 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 equal to 30. So now we have to factor 30 in such a way that its sum will be minus 1. So we know that 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30. So now we need the sum is minus 1. So we can plus 5 multiplied by minus 6 equal to minus 30. So we can write this way 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. So we from this term we can take out the common 3x. So remaining will be x minus 6. From this part we can take out plus 5, so it will be x minus 2. So sorry, here it will be the 2. Okay, x minus 2 and x minus 2, so 0. So we can write x minus 2 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So either x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So in this case x equal to 2, and in this case x will be minus 5 divided by 3. So if you will see such a quadratic equation where coefficient of first term is something and last term is a, then you have to multiply. So I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.